Welcome to Crochet Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to share with you this fabulous Granny Square kit that I received from Katech. Now, they did give me this kit for free so that I could share it with you, and I'm really impressed with it. Now, first of all, I did get this book, and it has 50 different Granny Square patterns in it, and they're all really well written. And here's a sample of all of the different Granny Squares that you can make. This book is really easy to comprehend. All of the patterns are very easy to understand, and they each have a picture right beside them. And I also wanted to show you the cute little Granny Squares that I made. Isn't this beautiful? I love these colors. And this is my favorite right here. Super easy to make. They also include a crocheting guide just to help you along with some extra stitches. And then you get this big, huge bag of yarn. But not only yarn is in here, let me show you everything that's included. So you get this really nice bag full of yarn, all different colors. I really like it because it's a Ziploc bag and it will keep your yarn nice and clean. So you get 12 little skeins of yarn in all of these different beautiful colors. This is an acrylic yarn, but it's really springy and soft. It's similar to mandala yarn. It's just a little bit thinner. I really enjoyed working with it. It doesn't split and it just works up so nice and soft. As you can see here, it's a really nice texture. They also include 2 crochet hooks, which are very comfortable to use. These are the rubber gripped handles here, and it does have a flat spot for your thumb, so it's very comfortable. They also sent some tapestry needles along with the kit, a tape measure, and they also include a little pair of scissors and a little package of stitch markers. And this is the Beginner's Guide to Crocheting. It shows you all of the different little stitches that you can learn in case you need some help. This is perfect for a beginner. And then here is the little book that you get as well with 50 different patterns for granny squares in it. Here's all the different granny squares that you can make. I was really impressed with the directions on each of these patterns. Super easy to understand. And I showed you this earlier. Isn't this gorgeous? Super easy to make. This pattern would make such a beautiful cardigan, wouldn't it? Light and airy for spring. This kit is perfect for travel. If you're going on a little trip, you can just put everything inside this plastic bag and take it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed these granny squares that I've shared with you and all of the different patterns. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in case you wanted to get one of these kits for yourself. If you would like to see the other items that Katech has to offer, go ahead and watch this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one.